This is an overview of a boating accident that took place in southern Louisiana. It involved an offshore service boat used to transfer materials to offshore rigs. And a smaller pleasure boat containing 4 people. The collision happened in a narrow channel on the bayous of South Louisiana. The pleasure boat was equipped with GPS, which aided in recreating the position and track of the boat. Photos show the damage to the overriding service boat. And the comparative size of the 2 boats. The channel was not more than 50 feet wide with high cane growth to the water's edge. The boats were electronically farrowed, allowing ATA to create an accurate model of each vessel. Animations show the paths of each boat at the time of the collision. The Big Daddy service boat was being driven by an unqualified driver at the time of the accident and was traveling on the wrong side of the waterway. The speed and angle of impact of the Big Daddy allowed it to override the smaller boat. The Big Daddy was traveling at approximately 30 to 40 miles per hour, and the pleasure boat was at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Line of sight distances were determined and showed what the driver of the pleasure boat could see.